All right. Hey. So we're going to look at algebra notes today for lesson 7-6, and this is on percent increase and percent decrease. So first thing we're going to start off with, as we've been starting off most of our lessons, is that generic exponential equation. So, the y equals mx plus b of exponentials, that's what we're looking for here. So hopefully you're remembering what that is, and if not, you want to try and commit that to memory as soon as possible. So it's that y equals a times b raised to the x power. And I wrote it spaced out like that because we're going to fit something in underneath it. That's going to be helpful when we're doing percent increases and decreases. So y equals, still keeping y equals. That a value, as you remember from previous, that a value is representing that starting value, that y-intercept, that initial value. So we are just going to replace it, INITIAL, initial value. And then the b, that base, is going to be made up of the following. Sorry, I'm not used to making videos at home. It's been a hot minute since I've had to make videos at home. Okay. So you're going to have this 1 plus or minus your percentage, and as we always do with percents, needs to be divided by 100. My goodness. Raised to the exponent of time, whatever that time may be that it's measuring in, whether it's months, years, whatever. And so that is the new equation that you're going to look at when you are dealing with these percent increase and decrease problems. Now, you might be noticing the plus or minus is kind of sketchy. How can I do plus and minus at the same time? You're not going to. You're never going to use the plus and the minus at the same time. It's going to either be plus or minus depending on the situation. If you're going to use the plus sign, that's going to be for an increase. And you'll be able to tell if it's an increase or not if you read the problem carefully enough. Obviously, you use a subtraction then in the case of a decrease, which again, you're just going to have to choose which one to use. Okay then. So let's jump right into example 1, I guess.